Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Pxmo. So Pxmo is a tool that lets you create your proposals for your clients. When you create proposals for your clients using traditional methods, they are usually very boring and they are also very static, and the worst part is they are not even mobile friendly. But all of these issues are solved by Pxmo. It lets you create a very responsive proposal for your client where you can add a lot of elements and those elements could be very responsive, and the best part is these proposals are always mobile friendly. And the great news is Pxmo is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $350, but at Appsumo, you are getting the Pxmo lifetime deal at only $59. Pxmo is an alternative to Proposify and ภิsme. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. Here are some features. So you can export the proposals as PDF when you create them. There is callback feature, acceptance, which means client can directly accept your proposal. There is signing, e-signature. There is even payments options. There is also proposal branding and standard integrations. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59 with one user, and here you can create unlimited live proposals. The tier 2 costs $99 with two users, and here there is an additional feature. You will get the API access. And the license tier 3 costs $229 with 5 users. And there are some additional features such as custom domain as well as white labeling. So you get the famous white labeling feature on this license tier 3. There is also another tier with 10 users and obviously all the additional features. So if you want to buy Pxmo on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Pxmo, you will get this dashboard, and this is super user-friendly dashboard. To create a proposal, all you have to do is click on this new proposal, and then you can start from scratch with a blank page, or you can also choose from Pxmo's templates. So first, let me show you all the templates of Pxmo. As you can see, here are some of the templates given by Pxmo. And once you want to use a template, just simply click on this use template button. You can even browse the template according to their categories. So click on this category. And as you can see, there are now a lot of categories. For example, if you are making a proposal about investment, just click on this investment category. And now, as you can see, here is one proposal template that is suitable for investment category. You can also see all of your custom templates on this section. And obviously for a template, there are various pages. So if I select this Booksmart template and if I scroll down, as you can see, there are various pages for this template. So all you have to do is edit this text or images to make it according to your client. Now let's go back to the dashboard. So back to the dashboard. Now let me show you how to create a proposal using the blank template, which means you are not going to use any of the templates given by Pxmo. So let's click on this blank. And now here is the editor, the proposal editor, where you can start designing your proposal from scratch. And remember how I said that every proposal of Pxmo is going to be mobile friendly. As you can see on the top, there is two versions for each proposal. So one is the desktop version and the other is this mobile version. And obviously you can also switch to PDF to make your proposal on a PDF. So let's go to this desktop version, and to start designing, first I have to add some sections. So let's add a new section, and I can add a blank section, or I can add images, text, code, acceptance, splash screen. So there are various things or sections that you can add. For example, I want to add text. So here are some pre-given text, and as you can see, the section has been successfully added. Now you can edit each part of this text. So if I want to remove this, let's remove this, and let's add a random word. So as you can see, this way you can change each of the text. So you can make it subheading or heading or body text. You can change the font size, the color, and there are various other text formatting options. And the best part is you can even generate text using AI. For that, click on this AI text. Now you can generate new text by giving command. So here you have to give command to write new text, or you can also edit the existing text. For example, let's select this text and click on AI text. Now I can shorten the selected text, make it longer, or rewrite it with instructions or commands. And now, for example, let's add another section. So now let's add this code section. So this quote is a comparison of prices about various products. So as you can see, here are some products with their price, their quantity, and then you can also here see the subtotal. So here is another face. So there are two faces, which means you are letting your clients see two faces to compare their prices in order to accept your proposal. So obviously on these quotes, these boxes, all of the elements are also modifiable. For example, if you want to delete this live interactive proposal, just click on this, then this, and click on delete. So as you can see, it has now disappeared. You can also add another item from here. Just click on new item. And on this right top side, you can also change the currency. And there are some other options such as changing the quote color. So this is the color. You can change this. You can show or hide column. You can add another quote, or you can toggle the element spacer, or you can also delete this quote section. So this way you can add these quotes. And once you add some sections on this proposal, you can preview all of them together on this left side. So if you click on show or hide section, as you can see, I have added a text section, and then I have also added a code section. So both of them are appearing. So if I want to jump into a section directly, just click on that. And as you can see, now we are in here. And then on the left side, there is also this customize font and text. So you can customize the heading font, the subheading font, and also the body text font. So let's change this heading text to this 𝗗𝗀. And as you can see, these headings are now changed. You can also change this style. There are various styles. And then there is also this browse section library. So here you can browse the templates of Pxmo. And then there is the variable section. So you can add various variables to your proposals. And there are also a lot of other customization features. For example, you can apply a theme to a section. For example, let's select this section and let's select a theme. So here are all the customization options. So from here, you can customize particular sections, or you can also adjust the background. For example, on the background, I want to add an image. So let's upload one, or I can even browse. And for browsing, there is Unsplash and Pexels as well as Giphy. So using these platforms, you can download royalty-free images. For example, from Unsplash, let's add this image. So as you can see on this particular section, the one that I just selected, the background image has been added. So this is amazing how many customization you can do. And then there's also this modify section margin. So you can modify the margin of a particular section that you select. Then there is the text formatting. So for a section, you can change the text or animate the section, or you can also duplicate the section. And you can even save the section template, which means, for example, I have added this background. So I can now use it as a template, as a custom template. If I save this, and obviously I can also delete this section. So on this right side, these are all of the options that you can use to customize a particular section. And obviously now, as you can see, there are a lot of elements on this proposal. So this is the desktop view. If I click on this mobile, now here is the mobile view. So as you can see, the mobile view is very different. It is super friendly. And let me show you another section. So you can even add the accept button, which means once your client is convinced with your proposal, if she or he wants to accept that, you can also give them the opportunity. Just click on this acceptance. And as you can see, now we have got a accept this proposal button. You can also add other elements such as you can add text, image, video, map, code, table, timeline, or other CTA buttons such as accept, callback, or some other buttons. Or you can also embed or add HTML. And obviously you can also edit the text. So let's just keep it accept. So as you can see, this way you can also customize the accept button. And then there are some settings. So for acceptance, you can require signature, which means if you enable this, to accept, the client must give their signature. Or you can also even enable payment option, which means if you want the client to pay after accepting the proposal, you can enable this require payment option. And remember that for payment, you can integrate your Stripe account. You can also go to this communication to edit the acceptor message, the accepted heading, and also the accepted message. And other than the mobile view, there is also this PDF view, which means you can download your proposal as a PDF. So here is the preview of the PDF. So you can download it now. You can also change some settings such as the layout settings, size, and orientation. And if you do not want to download it as PDF, if you want to simply share it to your client, this proposal, you can also do that. Just click on the share. and then you have to enable this, then copy this link. Now let's open another tab and paste this link. So as you can see, after opening this link, this page is appearing, this proposal is appearing, and the accept button is also here. And once you create your proposal, it is always going to appear on this section, and all of your live proposals, which means the proposals that you have created for your clients, are going to appear on here. If they are accepted, they are going to go to this accepted section. There are also some other sections for callback and favorites. And then there are some other sections on Pxmo, such as your team, which means you can add team members to collaborate with them in order to create proposals. There is also inventory. So on this inventory section, first you have to create an inventory. So as you can see, I have created one. And once you create an inventory, you can add various products. For example, I have added this iPhone 15 Plus product. To add the product, all you have to do is, after creating the inventory, just click on new item, and on this box give the item name, the price, the image, and the description. So what it does is, once you add some products or items, for example, I have added this iPhone 15 Plus, they are going to appear when you try to create a proposal. So let's click on new proposals, blank, and let's add the code. So here is the code. Now on this code section, I want to add some products from that inventory. So click on add item and click on browse existing items. And as you can see, this iPhone 15 Plus is now appearing. So if I insert it, it is now added. So this way the inventory is going to work. Overall, I think Pxmo is an excellent proposal creation tool. It lets you create proposal with responsive designs. There are a lot of elements that you can add. There are a lot of customization options, which I am really impressed with. And you can also share the proposals very easily. It could be sharing a link, or it could be downloading a PDF and then sending it to client. Pxmo can be definitely worth your money if you are looking to create some proposals for your clients. And if you want to buy the lifetime deal of Pxmo from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With the lifetime deal, you are going to get all of these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also another tier. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.